This paver patio is being built entirely with decomposed granite as the surface material, creating a natural and elegant outdoor finish. We start by carefully clearing, shaping, and leveling the ground to ensure a smooth and perfectly even foundation for the entire layout. Once the base is prepared, decomposed granite is skillfully spread across the leveled ground, forming the design of the patio with precision and care. Each layer is then graded and compacted to build a strong, consistent surface that feels solid underfoot and looks beautifully refined. Step by step, the surface is developed into a seamless outdoor space that combines durability with a clean, natural appearance. The result is a warm and inviting patio that blends effortlessly with the landscape, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying your outdoor space for years to come.